Hey, I want to show you this dual overhead lighting for my monitors that I just received. So let me show you what you get in the box. A remote control, which is great because now you don't have to reach over top of your monitors to turn the lights on and off. You just keep clamp to your desk, and then you see these type of grooves that are in this pipe. This pipe fits right into, let's do it on this side with no tag. This pipe fits right into this monitor, this desk clamp, and it will go. Now, so 31.5 inches wide. So it will definitely go over top of two large monitors. Mine are 27-inch monitors, so it will fit over two of them, especially with a gap in the middle, with two screws to attach these two things. This is your lights. Now, they expand out, and you can put them in any type of direction you want. You can see they hold in each direction. On the top is a manual on and off switch. I'm going to put this all together and put it up and show you what it looks like. Okay, I want to show you a few things. First off, it does come with a user manual that's laying right on top when you open the box. The other thing is, in your remote control, are going to need two AAA batteries that are not included. So let me just show you real quick. This top piece, this is a gooseneck, so it allows you to take that light and move it around anywhere you would like. As you can see, it's wide enough that it gives enough light over my monitors here, and you have control up on top until you get those batteries, or you can use it here. So, well, for me, I've been able to shut off the overhead light and shut off all my additional lights, and it provides me with ample amount of light, and I think it's going to work well for me, and that's just my honest opinion.